Alright, so we're out here on the Warrior River, and y'all are not going to believe what is swimming towards our boat. A kitten.
Is this not like the regular shit you've been seeing?
Yes. This ain't real.
That's a cat, ain't no kitten.
Never in my life. Oh, there's more, Jason. I just seen a kitten jump on the ground. Look, you hear it? I just saw it jump in the water. Oh God, I bet somebody put them out. I just seen it jump off that bank into the trees.
A little bit.
Never in my life have I seen anything like that.
Look, it's coming out of the weeds right now. See it?
Oh my God. Let me see that camera. Is this not the craziest thing y'all have ever seen?
Ever.
Why do people have some fishing partners for this like that?
We're out here trying to fish, and there's a damn cat swimming towards the boat because some jackass probably put him out here.
Just rub it up against my leg.
Come on, I'm gonna get you.
Come here.
They're twins.
Are you kidding me?
They're twins.
Well, it's the first time for everything, isn't there?
Yeah.